too big. Get the video.
Well, yeah, but
Can't pull it through, Lee.
You know,
I'd try to help you, but I don't want to turn loose this sucker.
like that.
How big is he, Lee?
Where's the end of that string? Hurry up, he's starting to wiggle. He's starting to wiggle.
make him wiggle.
Give me it.
This is on video. I need some splash.
He ain't
Some
going.
blood, something.
He ain't going. You got him? Hang on just a second. Get him wrapped up. Let me pull this son of a bitch. Here, I got him.
He's not going.
I'm gonna pick him up. All right. He's pretty good size.
Oh, dang.
Can't pull that damn string through it. You think there's nothing in there?
Probably not with them eggs, but we'll check in a minute. That rope keeps knotting up. That one ain't very good for this. You got him wrapped up.
Yeah, I've got him. He ain't going nowhere.
He can flop and get away here.
Yeah,
There we go. That's what it's all about right there.
Yeah.
Stick it on down the water.
Put him back in the water and he starts splashing.
Move it out of the way, fish. I never cut you.